Transforming your RV space. Budget-friendly DIYs that wow. Imagine stepping into your RV and being greeted by a space so inviting, so uniquely you, that every mile on the road feels like a journey home. This dream can be your reality, and it doesn't have to break the bank. With a sprinkle of creativity, a dash of DIY spirit, and these budget-friendly transformations, you can turn your RV into a rolling haven of style and comfort. Let's dive into the world of affordable RV makeovers that promise big impact without the hefty price tag. 1. Peel and stick backsplash. A kitchen revamp. The transformation. Elevate your RV kitchen from functional to fabulous with a peel and stick backsplash. These adhesive tiles come in a variety of styles, from subway tiles to Moroccan prints, instantly adding a touch of sophistication. The how to: measure your space, pick your pattern, and simply peel off the backing and stick. It's a mess-free, hassle-free project with an immediate wow factor. The benefit: besides the aesthetic upgrade, these tiles are easy to clean and maintain, making post-dinner cleanup a breeze. 2. Removable wallpaper. A splash of personality. The transformation. Walls in RVs can feel a bit bland. Inject your personality into your space with removable wallpaper. Whether you opt for a bold pattern, a serene landscape, or a whimsical motif, it's an instant mood lifter. The how to: choose a design that speaks to you, measure your wall, cut the paper to size, and apply from top to bottom, smoothing out any bubbles as you go. The benefit: it's commitment-free. You can easily swap it out when you're ready for a change, making it perfect for those who love to keep their space evolving. 3. Under cabinet lighting. Mood meets function. The transformation. Soft, under cabinet lighting can turn a cramped kitchen into a cozy nook, perfect for evening wind downs or midnight snacks. The how to: opt for battery-operated, stick-on LED lights to avoid complicated wiring. Place them under cabinets or shelves where you need an extra glow. The benefit: besides the ambience, it improves functionality, making cooking and tasks easier on the eyes. 4. DIY no-sew curtains. Windows dressed to impress. The transformation. Windows are the soul of your RV, offering views of the ever-changing landscapes. Dress them up with no-sew curtains made from your favorite fabric. The how to: measure your windows, cut the fabric to size, and use hem tape to create clean edges. Attach curtain clips and hang them on a tension rod. The benefit: this update brings in warmth and privacy, allowing you to control the light and vibes of your interior space. 5. Vinyl flooring. A foundation of style. The transformation. Old, worn-out floors can be a downer. Freshen up your foundation with peel and stick vinyl flooring. Choose a wood or tile finish for a modern, clean look that's also durable. The how to: clean your existing floor thoroughly, measure and cut the vinyl tiles or planks, and stick them in place, ensuring tight seams. The benefit: it's a cost-effective way to dramatically change the look and feel of your RV, plus it's durable and easy to clean. 6. Cabinet hardware update. Small touches, big impact. The transformation. Don't underestimate the power of details. Updating your cabinet hardware can add a fresh vibe to your entire space, from vintage chic to sleek modern. The how to: measure the distance between holes for pulls, or opt for knobs that require only one screw. Choose your new hardware and replace it using a screwdriver. The benefit: it's a simple, inexpensive change that can tie your whole space together, reflecting your style in every touch. Your RV is more than a vehicle. It's a mobile canvas of your life's adventures. These budget-friendly DIY projects are not just about beautification, they're about transforming your RV into a personalized retreat that mirrors your style and meets your needs. The real value lies in creating a space that feels like home, no matter where the road takes you. So, armed with these tips and your DIY spirit, get ready to infuse your RV with personality, comfort, and style that wows at every turn. Happy transforming!